Hello! So today I thought I'd do a random little review, because I don't really do reviews, on my random USB iPhone charger cable that I bought online. Now I didn't want to go for an extremely expensive one, 20 or 30 quid, but I didn't want to go for the 99p one because I tried that one once and it lasted about a week. So I thought I'd go for something kind of in between and went for a 4 quid one. So, basically, the packet, as you can see, it's quite nice. It kind of looks professional. It's got a little hanging hook toggle thingy there. But the print on it, it kind of looks like somebody did it in their little bedroom on their home computer with their little cheap printer. But I mean, it's fairly decent, fairly thick cardboard, but it's just the kind of stuff you can buy from Tesco's or whatever, and it's not awfully great. But anyway, so we've got it in English, French, German, possibly Italian or Spanish. It doesn't look any different, to be honest. And then in some sort of Chinese writing there on the back. Basically very generic, boring for iPhone. Nothing else really. That's pretty much it. So we open it. And we don't get it out. Open it in the bottom. Notice how neither of the ends are actually sealed, it's just a cardboard box. So here it is, it's all nicely wrapped in its little plastic thing, just like they do at Apple, except this appears to not be quite the same and is actually just a piece of sellotape stuck together. Well, so we've got the iPhone, iPod, iPad connection there with its 30 pins, and we've got our USB connection. Now I notice immediately how cheap and tacky and unlike Apple that this is. For starters, we have 1,000 scratches all over that. I'm guessing that's something to do with the moulding process. We've got sprue, yeah, it's all over. That's just lovely. We've got a very cheap, tacky kind of cable going on here. And then we get to the 30-pin connector, and you got a very cheap-looking connection there. Focus. Come on, focus. Oh, sod it. It's very cheap and tacky anyway. It's got a plastic sticking out here, there and everywhere, and it just doesn't look overly good. There we go, I finally got the focus on there. And then you got this, which is just kind of a little bit loose, and it's just not overly professional, but we'll see how it goes. Now unfortunately I am actually using my iPhone as a camera, so I can't actually test this bugger out. But I will, and I'll let you know. Bye!